Hello everyone and welcome again to the third chapter of this Mercedes 450 SEL. If you haven't seen the chapter number 2, I remember you a little bit that we did all the paints, all the paint work in the cabin booth and everything, which looks really amazing, and we did all the engine, so you can see how we open the full engine, how we put all again new, all the gaskets and everything. So well, this engine is like brand new now, and yeah, actually enjoying it a lot. So in this chapter, what we will see all the chrome work that we have done into the car. So as you can see, they are shiny brand new, and actually those are the ones that came with the car, so they are not brand new. We redo all the chrome, so we can do all chrome for classic cars. And after, as you can see, all the upholstery that we created for this really great customer. He wanted this brown leather design and we did it. So as you can see, this car was creamy tone inside, as all the Mercedes were having before. And yeah, actually we created this leather with this color that he chose. Actually we gave some colors to him and he chose. So this is another thing that we can also do, and it's nice actually because you can choose how you want the interior of your car, which design do you want. So we can always change whatever it can happen. You will see in another videos what we are doing to another Alfa Romeo, but I will not speak much. But yeah, so you can see here, this is the typical way to do all this Mercedes design from the inside. So actually it's really well done, and yeah, I think they will really enjoy that car because it's looking really nice. And yeah, I mean, I will not speak more because I want you to see the video and enjoy of it, because all of you in all the comments, and because we read all the comments that you guys send to us, thank you very much for all your words, and yeah, just enjoy the video. Well, thank you very much for watching the video and enjoy it as much as we did. Actually, I was checking all the little details of the car because I really like the noise that these door latches create. It's really cool. Well, you will see next week we have an extra video, as you have seen the restoration of this Alfa Romeo and you have seen the restoration of this Mercedes. Both are going to Macau to our appreciate customer, and tomorrow we're gonna fit them in a container and we're gonna ship it to Asia. So keep in tune, because next Wednesday you have an extra chapter which will be the full movie of this Mercedes, and you will see how we put all the cars inside these containers, how we proceed to all of these, because we can do this with your cars also. And well, just enjoy, and thank you very much for all your comments and all your likes in our videos. Thank you very much.